This section explains how to start a test print on the TTO traverse unit. First, confirm that auto run is green, which indicates that the unit is in the running state. If auto run is gray and cannot be selected, tap Return to Origin. Once homing is complete, auto run becomes available. Open Manual Control and confirm that Print On is green. Tap Start Testing. The traverse unit performs a test print cycle. When it finishes, inspect the product to confirm the printing result.